Known for its top quality services, Manila Doctors Hospital will again share some health tips here on Chinoy Wellness.
白内障是一种眼睛的疾病，上百万人都有可能有这种疾病。当五官受损了一个，那是非常大的问题，所以我们要及时补救。今天我们来访问 Manila Doctors Hospital 的 Dr. Cesar Espiritu 白内障医师。他曾经做过18次白内障现场手术，参加美国、欧洲、澳大利亚和亚洲的会议。
Well, a cataract is a opacification of the natural lens inside the eye. The normal lens is very clear, it's transparent, it's like a crystal. Now, when it changes into a more opaque or opacified lens, it will look something like this. So the light rays that pass through it are obstructed. And that is why those with cataracts usually complain of blurring of vision, glare, also cloudy vision. When they look at artificial lightings, they also have halos. They can also complain of headaches because the eyes are trying to strain to see better with the cataracts obstructing the clarity of the vision. No? Well, it can happen to anyone, but there are patients that are more prone to developing cataracts, especially those that are exposed more to the sun, because one of the major causes of cataracts are accumulated exposure to the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. That's also why those who live closer to the equator, where we get more UV exposure, tend to develop cataracts earlier, and they develop the cataracts that are more dense or harder. Another major cause of cataracts are endocrine problems, foremost of which is diabetes. They progress to a more dense and larger cataract faster compared to non-diabetics. The problem with diabetes is the elevated blood sugar level. So when they are increased in concentration within the natural lens, there's a change in the protein structure. Unfortunately, the only permanent solution for cataracts is surgery. Well, you know, cataract surgery nowadays is done on an outpatient basis. No? It's a 15 to 30 minute procedure done under topical anesthesia. It's very painless. We do it under eye drop anesthesia. We don't even cover the eye anymore. So the patient walks out with just a pair of goggles for protection. And although the vision will not be very clear yet during the first 1 or 2 hours, once the slight swelling disappears and the pupil goes back to its natural size, the patient will be able to see already. The major factor that will determine the right time for cataract surgery is really the difficulties already of the patients with his or her vision. We have cataract cases in the pediatric age group. No? There are babies born with cataracts. Age really is not a major determinant on when cataract surgery should be done. So my advice really is go see an eye doctor, because an ophthalmologist really is experienced and is an expert on all the all the different diseases of the eye. Don't rely on optometrists to really be able to do a thorough examination of your eye. So you really have to see an ophthalmologist. What we do have here now in Manila Doctors is already the most modern machine and technique for cataract surgery, which is what we call the femtosecond laser-assisted cataract procedure. It emits pulses that actually acts as a procedure that does not involve any knife or blade anymore. Here we have the Lensex femtosecond laser machine. This is the latest version that we have here at the Manila Doctors Hospital. The latest version of the #1 laser in the world. It has the most number of units worldwide. Because of the precision of the laser, we are now able to produce cuts in the cornea, open up the cataract, and divide the lens in the precise manner we program the machine to do. That brings in safety as well. Hopefully, with more femtosecond laser procedures done, we will have better results, more consistent results, less complications, and the benefits to the patients would be incomparable compared to the old style of doing surgery.
若要保护好眼睛，在感觉不舒服的时候，就要及时去检查。Manila Doctors Hospital 有新式的配备，能检查您的疾病，保证能治好它。